Here is how you can connect your social media accounts to your Squarespace website. Inside of your Squarespace main navigation, you're going to go to Settings, then you're going to click Social Links, and then you're going to notice that they have already ones for Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. If you click any of these, you can put your actual URL for your profile here, right? Now, if you want some ones that aren't on here, so say you have a TikTok, right? So I'm gonna go to my TikTok, I'm gonna go to my profile, I'm gonna go back to this page, I'm gonna put the link for my TikTok right here. It's going to give me the TikTok icon, and it's also gonna make sure that it's visible. I'm gonna do the same thing with LinkedIn. I'm gonna put my LinkedIn profile here, and now my LinkedIn profile is connected. I can see this icon. Then when I go to edit a page, I click the plus insert icon, I scroll down to where I see social links. I'm gonna put social links here. Now I can choose whether or not I want these to be visible, right? So maybe I'm just on TikTok and LinkedIn and I don't want this other stuff in here. So I can press this and it will no longer display that social icon, right? So see how it disappears from the actual thing, so that you can choose where you want and how you want to display your social media icons. It's a good rule of thumb to put this in your about page, to put it in the footer of your website. It's not a good idea to put this in the top navigation because you do not want people to click off of your website when they are going to your social media profile. Now, what if you want to display something like your Instagram on your Squarespace website? Well, here's how to do that. So you're gonna go to, in your website, you're gonna click the plus insert icon, you're gonna go to integrations, and you're gonna click Instagram. Then you're gonna choose the account, and if you don't already have one, you can add an account and it'll just ask you to log in on your Instagram account. Next, you're gonna say how many items you'd like to display. So I'm gonna say 6 items. And then I can kind of make this different by clicking the Design tab. So when I click the Design tab, I have a few options. Slideshow, carousel, stacked. Usually people are going to display this in a grid because Instagram's usually shown in a grid. People like to make their grids look pretty. I can show how many I want per row. So maybe I want 6, so it's all on one row and it's going to look nice. And I can also choose how I want the padding on this. So if I want less padding and I want them to be kind of like right next to each other, I can do that. Lightbox allows me so that if I click Lightbox, and I'm gonna click Save, Lightbox allows me to, when I click into the website, it's just gonna open it in a bigger thing. It's gonna show some of the information, the hashtags connected with that. The other thing that you can choose is open in a new tab if somebody clicks your stuff, right? Which I totally recommend. Open links in a new window. You don't want, again, you don't want people to like, click your stuff and like go off. So if they do want to click into this, make sure that you click open links in new window so that they stay on your website. If you have any other questions about connecting your social media accounts or Instagram blocks or displaying your stuff, go ahead and leave me a comment in the comment section and I will respond. Also, if you want the full course on how to design and create a Squarespace website from scratch, step by step for free, then check out my free courses, also linked up in the description box. All of my love, and I will see you on the next video.